I should learn compulsory. And then I have to complete. And then only I require to do that. This type of mindset, better to remove. So in the last sessions also, I told multiple times, if I want to start one hotel, each and every activity related to the hotel, including sweeping, including washing, I should be aware. Then only I am eligible to start hotel. That was my old mentality. What is the need to know all these things to start a hotel? If you arrange a person, that person is going to take care of all these things. If one person is not good, think about second person, but don't do on your own. If you start doing on your own that low level activity, you will be there only. The mindset shift, how it is going to be happen, observe that. Getting right? So we have to, transformational leadership must be required. We have to create leaders. Okay, delegate outcome. That's our boss. This is the thing, my requirement. Okay, I had some 4 acres land. In this 4 acres land, this is the construction, my requirement. My architect, best architect. Okay, provided this is the plan. These many towers are going to be there. Each tower contains some 25 floors. Okay, this is the thing we require. Yes, wonderful. So I cross-verified with the 2 or 3 persons. Then automatically those people suggested, yes, combine best thing I had. Then I will approach the contractor. Array, this is my requirement. Can you please start construction? How much is the cost? How much is the duration? Tenure, how much is there? Like happily we can build some agreement kind of thing. That person is the responsible. Where we are strong, there only we require to concentrate. Okay, we are not required to know each and every other things. Then automatically what will happen? Our life by default will be gone. So where you are strong, what is your zone of genius? Always be there. For the remaining areas, outsource. Identify right who, best who, and then delegate that activity. I hope it is clear. Okay.